again. It's what's... No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Jazz. Go Jazz. It's Jazz. Go, go, girl. Go, 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 girl. Go, 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 girl.
Hey! It's Fun Surprise Friday. Yay, so today's video, you guys. I know y'all like jazz. The third day with quarantine. I just told y'all on Wednesday. Anyways, this video is, as you see on the title, is all about my morning routine for my face. I didn't put the brushing teeth because I just hope that's obvious to me. Yeah, but this is what I do for my face. So, how I keep this nice chocolatey skin so pretty and clean. So I hope that this video really helps out everyone who wants to know exactly what I do every morning for my face. Also, I don't know if I said in the video, I already pre-recorded it, but make sure you drink a lot of water. That's really what makes your face or your skin period blossom. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Like, for real, do the gallon challenge. Just drink a whole gallon of water for a week straight and see how it do. I would do that. I'm gonna do it for y'all one day. I'm actually gonna do it for y'all, and I'm gonna like give y'all tips on like what's happening day by day. I'm gonna do that for y'all. Yeah.
So you guys, ooh, something's wrong with me, but I'm going to be washing my face. This is what I do every morning. I put a shower cap on because I don't want my bonnet to get wet. So that's why I put my shower cap on. And I'm about to rinse my rag in lukewarm water. So y'all about to see that. See? Wet. Make sure it's wet with lukewarm water. Yes. And then you grab a sensitive Dove soap. That's the kind of soap I use for my face because I have very, very sensitive skin. And you just want to rub it together with the rag just like that. You want to roll up your sleeve because you're about to get busy. So I try to do circular motion and gently circular motion on my face. And you always want to do with a smile because when you wash your face with a smile, it gives you a great happy mood. You're cleaning your face and you smiling while doing it. Oh, go. Oh. I have issues. But yeah, so I just continue doing that and so forth. So forth? I don't think that's the word. It's alright. But now I'm rinsing it and the water wouldn't get cooler. It was too hot. So now I'm rinsing it now. Bonnet all in my way. Wow, my face is very, very glistening. Crazy! Oh my goodness! So now I'm about to... I also rinse my hair with cold water, and I rinse my rag with cold water, and that's what I'm dabbing my face with, cold water, because it helps with closing your pores. Because when you wash your face with warm water, your pores are open. And then if you just leave it like that and put lotion or anything on it, then when you step outside, debris, dust, dirt, it all gets in there. So close them pores back up. So that way the lotion really just sits on top of your face. And then you don't have to worry about your pores getting all gulped up with the dirt, debris, and the dust. And you have to worry about acne. You don't have to worry about pimples. And now I got to put on my little eyeballs because your girl can't see now. She's blind as a bat. Very. So this is what I do. I wash my face, put my contacts on, Sometimes my contacts will give me a little bit of trouble. I don't know if sometimes they have beef with me sometimes. As you can see, it didn't even get in my eye. It like fell out. Look, don't make no sense. None whatsoever. So sometimes I just struggle. Sometimes, it be good. Now I'm about to put this lotion on my face, eczema relief, because I do have eczema on my face. I think I have it all over my body. No, I have it on my face. And I just put it all over my face, just like that. Nice and smooth. Yes, you go, girl. About to put some Vaseline, but then I realized I'm using the Vaseline as a stand, so I couldn't use it. Ha ha ha, fun day. All right, that is it. Ta-ta.